everyone. It is Linda Sims of Let's Mess It Up Soul Line Dancing of New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am here to present the line dance Believe. The song is Can't Believe. The artist is Faith Evans featuring Carl Thomas. The choreography is Eric and Tish Jennings of 909 Crew. If you or someone you know is interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. And last but not least, please join me. Let's Mess It Up Soul Line Dancing and myself present the NOLA Southern Experience 4-day line dance weekend here in New Orleans, July the 11th through the 14th, 2024. You can book your room now, and registration opens June 1st, 2023. For detailed information to book your room and registration, please visit our website at www.LMIUNOLA.com. If you're interested in the step-by-step instructions for this line dance, I'll post it at the very end. Let's go. there you go, guys. Believe. Make sure I'm gonna to watch the instructional at the end of this video. Please check out the NOLA Southern Experience 4-day weekend here in New Orleans, July the 11th through the 14th, 2024. You can book your room right now at our website, and registration opens this year, June 1st, 2023. Please go to our website at www.LMIUNOLA.com. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.